Good morning, Achieve Charter School. Today's Friday, March 5th, 2021. Happy Friday. Can you please stand up with me for the Pledge of Allegiance? Please stand at attention. Salute. Pledge. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. Nice job. You guys can have a seat. Show me a good slant. Look what today is. It's National Day of Unplugging. This means like unplugging your devices and not using computers and cell phones and tablets and TVs, having a whole day where you are just having no screen time. Can you imagine that? Like at our house, we talk about having too much screen time and that it's time for a break from screen time. So we know that too much can be bad for you. But I wonder what would happen if you had a whole day with no screen time. We have so many screens in our world. We have information coming in all the time, right? And ideas are coming at us constantly. It can be hard on your brain. Sometimes your brain needs a break and your brain just needs to relax. So National Day of Unplugging is a time to do that, to just unplug and do different activities that are not online. For example, read some Dr. Seuss books, right? These are amazing, super entertaining. Go outside and play, do all kinds of other things. So I want you to have a little chat with your class today about this question. What would happen? Like what good things would happen if you unplugged for a whole day? A whole day of no screen time. Tomorrow's Saturday. Maybe you could do it tomorrow. What would happen if you had a whole day of no screen time? And then I have another question that'll be on the screen for you too. And it says, what would you do instead of screen time? Dr. Seuss books. What else would you do? What would you do if you had a whole day with no screen time? Have a chat about that, and I'm going to encourage you, try to do a day of unplugging. Maybe today, maybe on National Day of Unplugging, maybe tomorrow on Saturday. Try and have a whole day of no screen time. Have a great day, Achieve.